Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of generative fill. I'm absolutely thrilled about this incredible feature that takes Photoshop to a whole new level of creativity. It's as if Photoshop has finally gained the power of independent thought, and the results are simply mind-blowing. With generative fill, you can explore and create astonishing textures and patterns that will take your designs to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on Photoshop Beta Generative. Fill for a 100% free trial, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Google. Type in Adobe Creative Cloud and click on the first link, which will lead you to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. Once you're there, scroll down and find the free trial option. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. In this window, select the Teams option and continue with the process. Next, a sign-up page will appear, and all you need to do is enter your email. You can use any email you have, or even a temporary one. Then, proceed to fill in your details. For the country, choose United States, and for the state, select Alaska. To find a valid Alaskan zip code, a quick search on Google should do the trick. For the business phone number, head to receive-sms.com and get a free United States mobile number. Click on Continue once you've filled everything in. Now create a strong password that you'll remember, along with the email you used. These will be crucial later on. Click on Continue again. On the following page, enter your birth date and you're all set. Congratulations, you now have a free Adobe account. Next, you'll want to download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Click on Download App, and the Creative Cloud app will automatically start downloading onto your system. If it doesn't, simply open another tab and search for Download Creative Cloud app to initiate the download process manually. Once it's downloaded, install the Creative Cloud app and open it up. The app will prompt you to enter your email and password for login. Once you're logged in, you'll see a user-friendly interface. Click on Apps and look for the Beta Apps section. Here you'll find various Adobe applications to choose from, including Premiere Pro and Adobe Illustrator. For our purpose, click on the Install button next to Photoshop Beta. Wait for Photoshop Beta to download and install. Once it's done, click on Open, and voila! Your Photoshop Beta with Generative Fill is now ready to use. You'll have a fantastic 14-day free trial period to explore this awesome feature to the fullest. After the 14 days are up, don't worry. You can repeat the process I've shown you to create a new account and keep using Generative Fill unlimited times. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to download and use Photoshop Beta Generative Fill. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And hey, if you want more awesome Photoshop tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy creating.